So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to ask question on ChatGPT through voice message. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the ChatGPT app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged in to your account. So let's open it. And this is the inbox of your ChatGPT. Now to ask a question on ChatGPT by your voiceover or by your voice, then you can simply tap on voice icon which is available on your keyboard, or even you can use ChatGPT keyboard. So tap on it. See, it has successfully given reply to your voiceover. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.